Have you ever wondered what fuels your body? What gives you the energy to conquer your day? It's all about macronutrients, protein, carbs, and fats. Let's dive in. Macronutrients are the power sources your body relies on to function. They're like the gas for your car, the batteries for your remote. Without them, we simply wouldn't have the energy to live, let alone thrive. First up, protein. Think of protein as the building blocks of your body. It's crucial for growth, repair, and maintaining good health. It's like the construction crew of your body, constantly working to keep everything in top shape. Next, carbohydrates, or carbs for short. Carbs are your body's go-to energy source. They're like the quick and easy fuel your body uses to power through your day. Lastly, fats. Contrary to popular belief, fats aren't the enemy. They provide long-term energy storage and support critical bodily functions. Knowing the purpose of each macronutrient can help you make informed food choices. Protein, the building block of life. It's essential for growth, repair, and maintaining good health. As the key component of every cell in our body, proteins do much of the work inside cells and are required for the structure, function, and regulation of the body's tissues and organs. Think of protein as the superstar for muscle growth and repair. It helps build lean, strong muscles and aids in speedy recovery after a strenuous workout. It's also the secret weapon for maintaining a healthy weight. Protein keeps you feeling satisfied longer, curbing those pesky hunger pangs that can lead to overeating. And let's not forget about the immune system. Protein plays a crucial role in the production of antibodies, the body's defense warriors against illness and disease. But as with any superstar, too much can lead to complications. Overconsumption of protein can potentially cause kidney damage and nutrient imbalance. Protein is powerful, but like all good things, moderation is key. Carbohydrates, the body's preferred energy source. But are all carbs created equal? Let's dive in. Carbohydrates are like fuel for your body. They provide the energy that powers your muscles and brain. But not all carbs are the same. There are simple carbohydrates, often found in processed foods, which can give you a quick energy boost. But beware, this sudden surge can lead to a rapid spike in blood sugar levels, followed by a crash. Then there are complex carbohydrates. These are the slow-burning fuel sources found in foods like whole grains and vegetables. They provide a steady stream of energy, helping to maintain stable blood sugar levels and keep you feeling full longer. However, like anything in life, moderation is key. Overconsumption of carbohydrates, especially the simple kind, can lead to weight gain and other health issues. Remember, it's not about eliminating carbs, it's about choosing the right ones. Fats often get a bad rap, but they're crucial for many body functions. Now, before you shudder at the thought of fats, let's remember that not all fats are created equal. There are good fats and bad fats. The good fats, like monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, are the unsung heroes of our bodies. They're the ones who keep our energy levels up, help produce hormones, and aid in absorbing nutrients. Think of foods like avocados, nuts, and fish. These are packed with the good fats that your body loves. But let's not forget about the bad fats. Consuming too much saturated and trans fats can lead to weight gain and heart disease. So, while that donut might be calling your name, remember that it's packed with the kind of fats that don't do your body any favors. Fats are not the enemy. The key is balance and quality. With the right types of fats and in moderation, they can play a crucial role in maintaining a healthy lifestyle. So, we've learned about protein, carbs, and fats, but how do they all fit together in a balanced diet? Think of macronutrients like a symphony orchestra. Each instrument, or macronutrient in our case, plays a vital role, and when they all work in harmony, the result is a beautiful melody or a well-functioning body. Protein is our bodybuilder, helping to repair and build tissues. Carbohydrates are our main energy source, providing fuel for our daily activities. Fats, often misunderstood, are essential for certain body functions and can also serve as a backup energy source. The key is balance. A diet too heavy on one macronutrient can throw the body's symphony out of tune. The ideal balance varies from person to person depending on factors such as age, gender, activity level, and overall health. Remember, your body is unique. Listen to it, nourish it, and it will thank you.